Today, I'll show you how to create a rainbow text reveal animation in CapCut PC. This effect gives your text a colorful gradient appearance as it reveals on screen, making it perfect for fun and vibrant edits. Let's jump in. First, go to the Text tab and import a default text onto your timeline. Now, on the right side editing panel, customize the style to match your project. You can change the font, size, and color to make it stand out. Next, go to the Animation tab, click on the In tab, and search for Chroma Type. This effect creates a smooth rainbow gradient reveal that looks visually stunning. Now, adjust the duration slider to control how long the effect lasts. If you want a quick transition, keep it short. For a more dramatic and slow reveal, increase the duration, and that's it. You've successfully created a rainbow text reveal animation in CapCut PC. Try experimenting with different fonts and background effects to enhance your design. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut editing tips.